Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can automatically add cinematic bars to your video on Capcut. So this one is pretty easy. So what you guys can do is just add your clips and then go to the video effects. Click on the lens tab. Then scroll down the category until you find cinema. So just click on that, just click on a check icon, and now here is the effect looks like, but you can always adjust it. So let's say I want to just make it short like this, and the cinematic part will look like that. You can just adjust it how much you want the cinematic bars to last in your clicks. If you want your clips, if you want, you can also make it all the way like this. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe. Bye.